Take one now for you gear jumpers out there. Welcome back to another episode of Smooth Operator Trucking, where we create the dream 1 mile at a time. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be going over CB lingo, and we're getting started right now. So CB language is a dying thing. There's not as many guys on the road with CB radios in their truck, but this used to be the primary form of communication and entertainment while guys were driving down the road for a long time. There was no cell phones or, you know, satellite radio and XM radio and all that good stuff. So you pretty much just talked on the CB radio or listen to what other people are talking about. It's almost like the first version of social media, because you could be anything or anybody that you want to be. I thought it'd be pretty cool to put together some CB lingo that I've learned over the years. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up.
Break 19, eastbound. How about you? You got the mirrors on? I appreciate the comeback, driver. I need a smoker report, and I need it bad. Come on. You're looking good going back east. Looks like you got a window watch coming your way, though, so I'd watch out for that. Any info on the token puke and the 10100? That's a lot better than going 10200. Come on. Break it down, westbound. We got a Smoky Bear and a plain white wrapper right around the mile marker 26, heading your way. Come on. Hey, westbound, don't worry about that Smoky Bear. Looks like there's an accident up ahead, and he's got a meat wagon in tow. Hey, westbound, you got a dragon wagon off the shoulder right around the mile marker 24. Come on. Hey, bandit, listen to this. You know what that is? That means the evil Knievel. He done snuck in my back door son with one looking. You best flip-flop cover, you're gonna be in the grip of trouble. You grip? Break 19 for you gear jammers out there. Hey, be advised, there's a barbershop about 10 miles ahead, about the mile marker 14. Might want to take a detour around, come on. Break 19 for the skateboard just passed me. Blow my doors off. Come on back over, driver. You got it if you want it. Info right back at you. You keep your wheels are spinning and your friends are grinning. And I'm down. Hey driver. Look alert. You got a roller skate on your back door. Acting like, is there a choking puke anywhere around? I'm gonna slide off here at mile marker 10, get me some groceries and get some go-go juice for the old girl. Break 19 for that mobile parking lot in front of me. You're all over the road, driver. Looks like you need to go ahead and pull over and take advantage of that horizontal time machine. Right on this end. You ain't gonna believe this. One of them self-driving Uber vehicles just passed me, and the passengers inside there were heeing and sheeing. Come on. Woo, Lord have mercy, driver. That's a nice looking seat cover you got there. Where'd you pick that one up at? Hey bandit, you got the mirrors on? What's your 20? I want to break it down. I just passed another Kojak with a Kodak. Come on. By the time you get up here, you go ahead and put the pedal to the metal, because somebody's already feeding the bear. Hey, break it down. You got a bubble gum machine coming up and coming fast on mile marker 22. Come on. You got a copy on me? You got a bear in the air. I want to break her down. Well, y'all have a good night. I'm standing to the side. It's been a good ride with y'all. I'm going this way because I've already been that way. And I'm out.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, hit that like button, consider subscribing. As always, remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And last but not least, stay smooth, my friends.